Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use get next item, which is the part of walk queue VBO. In the previous video you learned how to get pending items. Now get next item is used to work on queue items which is ready to process. It means which is pending, that has not been processed, and get next item will pick that a specific item. It will lock that item so that other robot cannot pick that item. So let me show you here. Take this action stage, double click on this, select walk queues, and here we have this action that is get next item. So it will get one by one next item from queue, whatever queue name you will specify here, that will take based on the key filter and take filter if you will enter here, and then it will give you a collection of data which is stored in that specific queue, and it will give you the item ID. Here we get also a status and attempts, but mostly we just use here as a item ID and data. So this can be used to get next item. So let me show you here. Let me close this one. I already have one process created for this queue where I am using get next item. So you can see here we have this process. So here we are using get next item. In this one we are passing our queue name, and then in output we are just taking as a item ID and queue data. So queue data, so here we will be getting all the collections of records against that item ID, and that item ID that we are getting in this output here, that we are using here in the got item, like we have item or not. So if we have item pending in our queue, so it will start processing here, otherwise it will say that okay, close the application, and says that there is no data like that. So let me use the same, let me use this one and let me run this one. So instead of adding items to queue, I already have a queue available here. Let me go to the control, and now click on this queue. You already have 8 records that is pending, so it will start one by one. It will get next item, it will lock that a specific item, and it will start processing. So let me come to this one, and then instead of adding items to queue, we can directly go and run from here launch and login part. Right now set next stage, and now let me increase this one, so it will launch and login that part, that application. It will enter credential here, and then let me go to this here. So it will click on the order menu, and then here you can see once it will go through this get next item, it will store that specific item ID in this item ID data item, and then so we have this data item here available. It means we have data available in this item ID, so it will come here, right, and then it will start processing all these things. So let me directly run this from here, and now you will see one by one it will run. It's going to process everything which is that we have designed here in our this process studio. So we have around 8 records. It will run this 8 times. So you can see here now it has completed the processing, and it shows that completed. So it means all the records that we have, that is 8 records, that has been processed now. Now we don't have anything in the pending. Let me refresh that, and we can now see here today. Let me see. So today is 15th of January, so all the records processed here now, and that status is marked as a completed, because here in this one we are also using to update that specific item as a completed. So by this way we can use get next item to get the next item to process. So this is the use of get next item. I hope this is useful. If so, then please like this video and please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn UiPath RPA, then you can visit my YouTube channel youtube.com/UiPathRPA. And if you want to learn Blue Prism from Udemy, so I have created one course for Blue Prism RPA complete course on Udemy. So you can go there and you can purchase that course and you can get the certificate from there. I will enter the referral code and the link in the video description. You can go through that. I hope you will like that one. Thank you so much for watching this video.